Pag ang average mo ay 8 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 1.4 steals, usually hindi nire-retire ang jersey mo. But the grind father is a worthy exception. Kilalanin natin si Tony Allen and why he deserves to have his jersey retired by the Memphis Grizzlies. Noong March 16, nagkaroon ng jersey retirement ceremony for Tony Allen, and why not? He's regarded as one of the best defenders in NBA history. 6 na beses siyang napasama sa All-Defense team, including 3 times sa first-team All-Defense. And none other than the late great Kobe Bryant considers Allen as the best defender he ever faced. More than the defense, Allen brought the grit and grind culture sa Memphis. Yung physical, gritty, palaban, Allen brought it all on the court when he teamed up with Marc Gasol, Zach Randolph, and Mike Conley. In his 7th season sa Memphis, the Grizzlies reached deeper in the playoffs. For the first time in franchise history, nakaabot sila sa Western Conference Finals. Deserving ba si Allen to be immortalized by the Grizzlies? Deserve. Just for his one-of-a-kind defense and building the culture na kilala ang Memphis ngayon. Tingin nyo?